Here are 20 travel-related vocabulary words. Itinerary, a planned route or schedule for a trip. Accommodation, a place where travelers stay, for example. Hotel, hostel, Airbnb. Destination, the place where someone is going. Layover, a stop at an airport between flights. Jet lag, fatigue, and sleep disturbance caused by traveling across time zones. Backpacking, traveling with a backpack, often on a budget. Souvenir, a keepsake or item bought to remember a trip. Excursion, the short trip or outing for pleasure. Passport, an official document needed for international travel. Visa, a document granting permission to enter a foreign country. Customs, the place at an airport where goods and baggage are inspected. Boarding pass, a document that allows entry onto a plane. Tourist attraction, a famous place visited by travelers. Sightseeing, visiting interesting places while traveling. Budget travel, traveling with minimal expenses. All-inclusive, a vacation package that includes food, lodging, and activities. Transit, traveling through a place on the way to another destination. Road trip, a long journey by car. Departure, the act of leaving for a trip. Arrival, reaching a destination. Thank you for watching.